Born king, job king, young rich, murder. Yeah, I feel them the buy.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. This time I'll be doing a get ready with me video. I hope you stick around to see the end of the video. Alright, so I am, as of right now, waiting to apply my wig, and this is it right now. I applied 3 layers of my Got2b glue to my hairline, so I'm waiting on it to get tacky, and then I go ahead and put the wig on. So I'm going to start off my face, and I'm thinking I'm going to be doing a very simple look. I'm going to start off my face with using my Fitme foundation mixed with my Superstay. I'm out of my shade right now, so this is what I'm using. I'm mixing them. This is the shade, let's see, what the shade I'm doing. Oh, this is the shade Cappuccino, and this is Mocha. Alright, so I have Cappuccino and I have Mocha, and I'll mix them and apply to my face for my foundation. Not a lot. And also guys, I use the, what's it called, the Camomoline Lotion as my setting to set my face today. Now, I already did my brows, and of course you know I have multiple eyebrow tutorials on my channel, so you can check those out if you're not sure on how I do my eyebrows. Alright, so this is a talk through. I'm gonna make it be a talk through as best as I can, because boy, what God, I'm gonna do no eye start. Like, you know, am I nervous already to do a talk through video or what? Like, I'm doing my face, and this is not how I do my routine. I'd usually do my eyes. Why am I doing my face? Alright, so that make it even worse. I'm not going to do much for my eyes today, cause like I'm kind of nervous about doing eyeshadow over a face that has foundation on it. Trying to not get a foundation in my hairline before I put the wig on it, because the wig will just not stick if there is product on my hairline. And this is tacky enough, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the wig over it. I don't really want it to be too much down on my face, so I'm kind of pulling it back a little bit, and yeah, it just stick right there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and tie it down right now before I middle with it. Before I do any baby hair and all that, I'm just going to tie it down. Before it start pull off back. Okay guys, so yeah, just gonna tie it down and then go ahead with my makeup. Lifting up. If anywhere is lifting up, then you can just lift it up and put a little bit of the glue there. Right here I have a little lift up, so let me just stick a little glue there before I go ahead and tie it down, because already I can feel it lifting off of my head. So I just want to hastily, hurriedly, quickly put the glue. And then tie it down before it start lifting off. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish blending this out on my skin. Alright, so guys, one thing that I noticed when I use the Camomoline to set my face is that if I don't go over my face with the foundation properly, then the streaks from the lotion will be showing up under the makeup. So that's one thing you have to be careful about, like blending out your face properly when you use the cream. But I find that it's a very, very good primer. It keeps my face snatched. Yeah, it does. It really does keep my face snatched. I'm gonna use this Maybelline Superstay to do my highlights. This is the shade. Where's the shade? Golden. Alright. And I'm using the same brush. I like to use the same product on my face. Like it will come together in the end. Alright, so guys, let's do a little bit of chit chat, won't we? I'm so elated. You guys brought me to 1K subscriber. Like, I have to talk about that first and foremost. Thank you so much for your support. Like, I really do appreciate it. Now that I'm at 1K subscribers, I just want to produce better content. I just want to put out better videos, and I want you guys to just share the video then. Share the video, share the video, share the video. Because I want to get like bigger, better, you know? And that won't happen without support from you guys. So I just want to say, guys, thank you so very much for taking me to 1K. Alright, so for contour, since this is darker than me, I'm gonna use this Fitme foundation for contour, and it's mocha. Alright, so remember, for contour we only want like 2 shades darker, and this is like 2 shades darker. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this for my contour. Yeah. Right, so as I was saying, guys, like I just want to get better at this thing that I'm doing. I want to get I want to get a good setup for my videos. I want to be looking like, you know, presentable, I guess, or more presentable when I do my videos. I want to change the background, guys. If you have any ideas, because I've been thinking about it for a while, so if you have any ideas, then you can let me know. What else do I want to do? I don't really moving from my niche of beauty and fashion, because that's what I love, but I guess I want to do a little bit more relatable stuff, because I know the men that love to show their support, them say most time them say them don't watch makeup. So I just tell them, guys, just please share the video then, you know. But yeah, so I want to do a little talk, a discussion sometimes, like them have videos like what do you guys think, or questions guys are afraid to ask. I want to do some more of those kind of things. But for my vlogging, I have put that down because I really wanted to do vlogging on my vlog channel, but I was trying to grow this channel a little bit more first, because it was kind of tedious, like all of that. So that's what I wanted to do, grow this channel a little bit more first before I go ahead and do some vlogging. So now that I am at 1K, I guess I'm gonna start some vlogging. But that channel is like, that's Mishi Wang Vlog. So if you're not already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe to that channel. On that channel, I am at 31 subscribers. Alright, so yeah, that is that in terms of channel and channel growth. I just want to grow better. I'm still using my L'Oreal Hydra Perfecte setting powder. Pow. You know, so I really want to do some glitter for my eyeshadow, but I don't want the fallouts to mess up my makeup, even though this setting powder should help with that. But I guess I'm just gonna go do without it. Outside is really dark too, and I want to get a good picture for this thumbnail, so I'm trying to hurry up. And of course, I don't flat iron this here as yet. So yeah, all of that. I'll be using for my set my contour, I'll be using this brown right here from this eyeshadow palette. Alright, I'm gonna use a light hand because of course this is really dark. Really dark. I'm not gonna use a lot. And I'm gonna use the red shade from it as well for my blush. And I'm using the same brush. So I take it up. This orange, this red color, I'm gonna pat it and then just pat it on my cheek for some blush. Alright, so guys, that's it in terms of channel and channel growth. I want for you guys to continue sharing my videos, interact with me some more. I want for you guys to give me your feedback. How do you think I'm doing? What do you guys think I should be doing more of? What do you guys like? Some video suggestions. Yeah. Guys, just so you know, like doing makeup, talking and doing my makeup is just so very hard for me. I'm kind of proud that I'm this far and I'm still talking. Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna let this set in a little bit and then apply my highlight. I'm thinking I'm gonna go ahead with my eye in the meantime, and I'm gonna use the same palette because I'm just gonna be putting some brown on my eyes. I'm not seeing my brush, yeah. So I'm gonna be using the same brown. I'm just dabbling it on my eye. Remember, my eye already have a concealer on it, so I'm using that as the base for this right now. Alright. I don't even set my contour as this. I never remember about that part, but yeah, we can do that after. Set my nose here, and I don't want to do my cut yet. What am I doing? Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and set my cheek by doing this cut right here. Yeah, I missed that part. Alright, so let's go ahead with the eye. And I'm just warming up my eye with this brown right here. And I don't know, probably put some concealer on the middle. Alright, so yes guys, yeah, so that's what I want. That's what I have planned for my channel. Open up some more as well. I want to do some more chit chat talk videos. I really love get ready with me videos. This is kind of darker, so I'm gonna still build up on this. Yeah, I love the get ready with me type videos. So I'm planning on doing some more of that. All right guys, yeah, how have you guys been? It's still darker, so I'm trying to blend it out some more. How have you guys been? How have you guys been holding up? Any COVID stories that you want to share with me? Any birthdays that you want to share with me? I really don't have any COVID stories. COVID has stayed away, and I'm very happy for that. It's best just continue to stay away. Yeah. I'm looking for the concealer brush. Yeah, and I guess there's not really much happening with me. As for me, I just want to live and enjoy life. I want to go more places, but of course COVID, because of COVID I really can't do as much that I want to be doing, like in terms of going out and enjoying life. Like, it's been a year since I've seen like my real friends. Like, it's been a year since we've gone out, and I was just thinking about it the other day, but that COVID. So how has COVID affected you guys? Have you guys been going out? Have you guys been seeing the people that you want to be seeing? Let me hear it. But with all that, I'm still very, 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 very grateful for life. I have, what else has been going on with me? I have been trying to do this. I've been trying to not put on any more weight. I am usually 158 to 160 in weight, 163 in weight, and I'm not 164, sorry. So I'm usually between 158 and 164, and right now I am at 163, but I feel like I'm bigger than that. So I've started this challenge. Like, I usually run, but I have really slacked off, and so I tried to start this challenge, this run challenge, run everyday challenge. I'm pretty good so far, even though I don't really run every day. I hope to pick up back on that. I wonder if I should put some white over this. I decided to stay. I put some gold. What do you think? Alright, I'm gonna let it stay. I'm gonna add my lashes now. It's really hard for me to not put any glitters right now because I love adding glitters to my look. But I'm gonna try and keep it as simple as I can. So I'm not gonna put any glitters. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my lashes and do my hair. So as I was saying, right, so I'm trying to do that challenge because I want to get back in shape. I want to look fit and toned, you know, again. Yeah, I want that look again because it's been like since Corona has come around, I haven't been in the gym, you know, with all the risk and whatever. I haven't been in the gym, so it's kind of hard trying to do all of that workout by yourself. And some people are motivated enough to do it. I am not. I have tried, it doesn't work out for me. I did for like 2 days and then flop, I flop. So that don't really work out for me. Right, so let me go ahead and apply my lashes, and of course I have on how I apply my lashes, or how to apply your falls video on my channel. So if you haven't seen that, then you can go ahead and check it out. But right now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lashes and flat iron this hair, and then I'll be packed, baby. Alright guys, so this is my finished look. I decided not to flat iron my hair but to give it the wet look, so I added some mousse and some water to it, and this is the result. Alright, so I guess in another video I'll continue the talking because I really wanted to talk about my 1K subscribers giveaway and all of that good stuff, but we're at the end of this video. I have to head out now, so thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share my video, like, comment, follow my social media, my Instagram, Mishuang Vlogs, and all that good stuff. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.